How to see who screenshots your Snapchat story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find out who has screenshot your Snapchat story. So let's just begin. First thing first, open up Snapchat. And once you open it up, what you need to do next is simply go ahead and find the option to tap on the profile icon or the story icon at the top left. And once that is done, you can find your story over here. So just tap on your story down below. Now you can see two options down below. The first one is the view at the bottom left, the eye icon, and the second one is a screenshot icon. So it has got one view and no screenshot. So it's going to look something like this. And as you can see here, the story only has one view and no screenshot. So I'm going to show you how it's going to look if it has a screenshot and who took it. So now, as you can see, if I just tap on the story over here, it has got one view and one screenshot. And if I just go ahead and see who does it, it's going to show the name and if they've taken a screenshot or not. And that's how you can see your Snapchat story and see who has taken a screenshot. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.